ship. Oh, here we are. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is add some props. Pipe. Need you. Large. Yes. And that barely fits, that's why we're using it. And symmetry is not on. There we go. I'll put them down here. Slap that there. Okay, now it doesn't fit. Prop. Large. Okay, we go back. No. Boosh. Perfect. Now we want one right in the middle. Put that there. 1, 2, I believe it was. No. 3. Okay. Go to paint, black, to the middle, gold, that's orange, that'll do. Orange, job done. Get blue again. Do that. Paint. Nice. Get a rudder. About 2. Turn symmetry off. Okay, get a rudder. Rudder. Empty that side and empty that side. Nice. But we do need to go in one more. Nice. Fix up the paint issues. That might work actually. No. Oh, that's right. We'll just do another one like that. Fixed. And to make it look good here, do a bit of that. A little bit of that. And that. Oh. Well, what am I even doing that for? There we are. Now it's fixed. Remove that. And then keep it. And then here, do a bit of that. Nice, looks good now. Perfect. Okay, 7. Oh, how big's an engine? Okay, now we can slap the roof directly above that. Be there, I think. Go. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. We can stand there, and then we've got a bit of extra headroom. So, actually, that can probably go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, good enough. I reckon we'll just move this floor up one. Engines need more room, not people. So we can actually have a couple decks. Perfect. Nice. Find the middle, which is there. Go all the way to the front. And because I've done the middle. What do I do in the middle there for? Okay, so there, yep. From there. To there. And it is, of course, the wrong height. The whole thing is. There we are, now to the right height. Break a hole there, yep, it's only one. Nice, 2 block room and 3 block room, nice. Slap you. I'm not allowed to do that. Of course, we need a clutch. Clutch. Gearbox. Oh. Go down. Need one of them. One of them. One of them. Same for here. All pipes may run at the correct height. One of them. One. One of them. And one of them. Or 2 of them. Done. Now we need a that, I believe, unless it's the other way, I don't know. Okay, so I believe that's nice enough. And then here is it going for iron? Yep, cool. Here is normally where I slap equipment and that. Delete a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, guess it's not made. Still 7. Paint, black, bush. Now for the battery room. Collect the battery. Always do the large ones, make your own chips. Yeet and yeet. Slap them together. Instead of front brakes, you can use the other ones. Outside battery can go to you, yeet, 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 yeet. And it doesn't matter how you connect these, it'll still work. And this one goes from gearbox to you and to you. Yeet, 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 yeet. Yeet. Now everything here is connected. Now just slap in some piping. Air, exhaust, out coolant, in coolant, and fuel. Okay, I normally start with the coolant. Make sure you get a fluid port so it can intake the water. There we are. Yeet, yeet, paint, fix. And white. And this one does it on both sides for us. It's in the middle. Grid lines backwards. Okay, now we need fuel, exhaust, and air. I'm going to make the fuel go straight to the ground. No, you can't make water become fuel. Stormworks is just like real life. No, I don't do that. I've done that in the old creation. Then it just creates more obstacles for you to walk over. That's why I slap it to the roof. Do that. And I should probably do this for extra detail. Like that, for clocks being supported. And I normally take it to there, and then this is where the fuel room is. Same with here. But you obviously don't want to block the air like what I done. Okay, redesign it. Yeet. 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 And make this look like, make sure it looks not done while I do that. Go up 2, no, up again, go that way, we, and then slap in a nice bulkhead. There's a big hole in it. Oh, more symmetry, not worries. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slap you off, do that. Collect it. And then fill in the gaps here on both sides. And then do that. Nice. Yeet. 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 Down. Do that instead. There we are. Go down to the ground. Go forward, let's say that much. Slap in a forward port. Make the fuel tank that away. And go to about there. And you to you. Bigger fuel tanks, longer journey. Across there. And for that extra bit of fuel, slap the wedges in. Been a Stormworks trick that's been around for a long time. And get your block and slap it in the middle. And now you can just hold that little extra bit of fuel. Okay, like 2 blocks. Fluid. So you need a fluid meter. Check out the fuel. And fluid spawner to slap some deadly diesel in. Diesel, nice. I believe that they don't need electric, nope. That wasn't electric. There, no, don't need electric. Then here, gonna do that. Not worried, look, just gonna be the goal. And now we can share the fuel. in between the tanks. And now let's use one of these. And we don't need that. And then we can also fit that extra bit of fuel into it. And then when you come along here, you just walk over it, back down. Make it a little longer. Nice. Make sure your fluid spawners are still there. It's like if you put them at the front here and deleted that, you would have got rid of the fluid spawners, and we're already approaching 24 minutes. Oh, like another 30 seconds. And we're basically 24 minutes. Here, what do we want? So here, as I said before, we want the equipment. Gate. I don't know how to flare launchers equipment. Don't want a rifle. Don't want ammo. Radio. Yeah, I guess we could use a radio. Radio, and yes, you can paint this too. Equipped inventory radio, signal locator. Nah. Radiation detector, pistol ammo, oxygen mask. Oxygen mask, yeah, that could be helpful if you're down here and then you get a bit of a flood happening. Battery, equipment, space, yeah, oh no. What the flip? Battery slash equipment room. Nice. What else? Heater? Nah. Rope? Guess so. What else could we put there? First aid kit, where's that? Fire extinguisher. And then, I normally do that. R2. What will you need to put flashlight? I don't know. Slap it in. What else? Diving? Yeah, I guess so. Diving, no, never mind, there we are. Just diving, we'll put on a torch. Flashlight. Over in Australia, we call it a flashlight. A torch, I mean. Night vision, shouldn't need that. C4 didn't matter, hell no. Hand grenade, definitely not, don't need it. There we are. A torch. Slap them too. I guess you can have a glow stick. Now Arctic. I'll just slap a welder on top. Not like someone in the Arctic will be able to use a welder. Underwater welding torch. There we are. Green transponder. Okay then. Not a bit ugly. Not a bit ugly. It looks like a water bottle. Strobe light. Strobe lights. Here you go. SMG ammo, rope, rifle ammo, hand grenade. Well, I guess we could do night vision binoculars, wherever that is. There we are. Okay, now to paint all this stuff. Orange, yeet. Can we change the colour of that? No. Yellow, sure. Red. Underwater rolling torch. Blue. Can change the colour, you know. Glow stick. Green. Colour. Let's go. Grey. No. Red. No. Oh, yeah. Almost 30 minutes in. Job done. Now what can be here? We'll work on that later. Let's just get these engines working. Exhaust, air, exhaust. And this is what's going to be there. Just need a cab. Okay, just save it, ship hole, overwrite. Nice, okay. Don't really what I say, probably get mixed up with that, okay. Because now we want to go to workshop. As always, I always like to use this cab, just looks good. Okay, selection grid, give me that. Resize, go to the edge of the ship where you don't want to grab it. And if you want to get this cab, just go to frantic on the Steam Workshop, and you will find this here. Copy, boat, no, not funny boat, ship hole. It's gonna be too big, yay! Slap it in the air. I press X and delete all the junk we don't need. Oh, need that. But we don't need that. And we don't need it. Nice here. Don't need you. Perfect. Do we need this? Yes. Okay, nice. Clear. Cut. Down. Kill someone 4. Now where you're gonna go? It's blue arrow there. Okay, this here can go up there. Nah. Back there. A little bit. There. 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 Okay. Yeet. Perfection, no damage. Three engines. What are we gonna do here? Okay, go to actually slap that off. Need to copy it, move it that way, paste. Then merge you to you. And then rename you. 3. 3. O, you. Reverse right. And you need to be reverse middle. Center, okay, left, right, center. Nice. And 1 throttle, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Okay, you connect. Oh, wait, disconnect you from you. You to you, 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 you to you. Job done, dun 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 dun. When you're activated, do that. When you're activated, do that. Oh, wrong one. When you're activated, do that. When you're activated, do that. Oh, that was the middle one. What am I connecting that one first for? Okay. Yeet. 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 Where's IND there? Here. Here to you. Here to you. And here to you. Nice, there's 4 on there. Is that connected? Clutch. Here to you. Okay, nice. To there, to there, to there. Perfect. 1 up, 2 down. Correct. And we will just have 1 reverser too. Reverser. Okay. Okay. Reverser. Nice. So delete you. What are you? You are underwater lights and you are cabin lights. Underwater lights, cabin lights, that doesn't make sense. And we're not going to have underwater lights. Okay, what other things don't we need? Searchlight, nav light, deck lights, cabin lights. Okay, so we're going to move clear, collect you, and you, cut, that way, paste, go down, that way, clear, cut, that way, paste, clear, resize, you, cut, up, that way, paste, clear, cut, paste, perfect. You to you, you to you, you to you, you to you. Job done. So now we have reverser, cabin lights, deck lights, nav lights, searchlight. Perfect. That's what we wanted, guys. That's what we wanted. You are going to there, so you go to there, and you go to there. Nice. So reverser has M3. Correct. Everything is back correctly. Disconnect you, disconnect you, disconnect you, and disconnect you, and disconnect you. Okay, you to you, you to you, you to you, and you. Job done. Everything's back to normal again. Okay, now to connect all the logic again. Reverser, cabin lights, what's this? Deck lights, don't have it. Nav lights, wait. Reverser. Alright, and reverser needs to go to there. To there. To there. That's gearbox, yep. Gearbox. Nice, everything's correct again. What else? So we have deck lights and nav lights. And this creation should be almost done. Then we just need to work on the rest of the bottom deck and the middle deck. Okay. Wait, do we have a fuel level? Engine 1 tank. Oh, we're gonna have more problems here. Engine 1 tank. Temperature, RPS. Do you even need RPS? Absolutely not. RPS, yeet, up, undo, yeet, yeet. Job done. Fuel, engine 1 temp, engine 2 temp. Clear. Okay, more moving stuff. Yeah, I know this is getting pretty long. It's already almost an hour, like another 20 minutes. Well, dude, we're doing a lot of stuff today. I wouldn't want to press and paste all again. what are we going to move now? I think it's the ones. Paste. Okay, almost done. Okay, time to fix all the electric for the 1 quadrillionth time. Let's just disconnect everything there. It's all in the wrong position. Okay, you go to you, and you go to you, and you go to there. Okay guys, just gonna do this and then we can get working on the rest. And that there will go right to there. Where's the torch? No, these ones. Flashlight, flashlight. Okay, yous need to be obviously charged. You to you and you to what one? Middle one. There we go. Save, override, yes. Why is that there? And that. Are you still connected to something? Nope. Okay then. Was there something important on this side that I deleted? No. And wait, it's a light. Let's see if it works. What? There we are. Okay, there's now for a way down. No, I am just putting this door back. Okay, give me that door. Oh, wrong color. There we go. Paint black. Yay. Okay. And need a hatch. Okay. Mm-hmm. Gotta go in a sec, guys. This ladder need to go this way, I guess. Take you to you. Okay, save, ship hole. Nice. Alright guys, that's the end of this episode. See you in the next one. Bye for now.